Today we have to study practically phenomenon of osmosis. What is osmosis? Movement of water from its high potential to low potential through semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis. To measure the phenomenon of osmosis, to know the phenomenon of osmosis, one of the measurement you may make and measure the osmosis phenomenon, that structure is known as osmoscope. The structure which help to study the osmosis is known as osmoscope. By using potato osmoscope, you have to study the phenomenon of osmosis. High potential to low potential, low concentration to high concentration, water movement takes place. Concentration, what is meant by concentration? Percentage of solute in the solution is known as concentration. If solute percentage is greater, solution is higher, concentration is higher, and when the solute percentage is lesser, then it is a dilute solution. So concentration related to the proportion of the solubility in the solution. If solute proportion is greater, then the solution becomes concentrated. When the solute becomes lesser, solution becomes dilute. So water movement takes place from low concentration to high concentration through the semi-permeable membrane. That type of diffusion of water through semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis, and that we have to study by using the potato osmoscope. The name of experiment is study of osmosis by using potato osmoscope. Name of experiment is study of osmosis by using potato osmoscope. It means aim of experiment to study the osmosis by using potato osmoscope. Now, first of all, we have to prepare the potato osmoscope. How we have to prepare the potato osmoscope, that I will demonstrate you, and you should also practice how to prepare the potato osmoscope and how osmosis takes place. That phenomenon we have to study practically. First of all, one of the large potato, this potato peel off. First, you have to peel off with the help of scalp. We have to peel out the scalp with the help of scalp. Upper skin of the potato we have to remove. That is peeling off. That is known as peeling off. Peel out the upper skin of the potato. Peeling off potato help for the osmosis phenomenon. If the potato not peeled out, the water movement may does not occur properly inside the potato. Such type of potato peeled off properly, if potato properly peeled out, water movement may occur inside the potato osmoscope, and you may observe the level of the solution in the potato osmoscope. With the help of scalp, potato peeled off properly, care should be taken and avoid the injury. Such type of potato completely peeled off. Now this potato as peeled off, prepare the potato osmoscope by cutting the potato at one end properly with flat uniform surface. This is the flat uniform surface. Make the flat uniform surface. It may easily kept on the flat surface. Another end of the potato also cut properly to make the hole or depressions well on another end. Here we have to peel off. After peeling off the potato, you have to make well inside the potato properly. You should take care when making the well in the potato. Such type of well the potato osmoscope should not be ruptured at the base, lateral side. Such type of well for by using the potato with the help of scalp, well is developed. Complete well. The bottom layer of the well should be thin for the proper osmosis, for the entry of the water so such type of potato osmoscope is prepared to measure the osmosis phenomena. This potato osmoscope filled with concentrated sugar solution. This sugar solution prepared by addition of the sugar with high concentrated solution prepared this is the sugar solution which is colored by addition of color, somewhat pink color, to observe the level of the solution in the potato osmoscope. This is the sugar solution. This sugar solution added into the well of the potato osmoscope. First, this potato osmoscope filled with the help of concentrated solution. This is the potato osmoscope which is filled with solution, concentrated solution, and label is marked. This marked level of solution in the well of the potato osmoscope this potato osmoscope with higher concentrated solution is kept in the potato in the beaker properly. And observe the level of the potato osmoscope of the sugar solution level, concentrated sugar solution level. That level is indicates with the help of pin initial level, and this apparatus or setup kept for overnight, and observe the result. The sugar solution level increased. This potato osmoscope shows the osmosis phenomenon. Low concentrated solution, water moves from low concentration to high concentration overnight, full of overnight, and sugar solution level increases in the well of the potato osmoscope. Observe this. This is the level of the sugar solution. Observe. You may easily observe the level of the sugar solution, initial level and today's level. After overnight, the level increases This shows that the movement of water from low concentration to high concentration and sugar solution level increases. The potato osmoscope containing living cells, that living cell possessing cell membrane, and the membrane help in the movement of water from low concentration to high concentration or from high potential to low potential. The result is observed and it indicates the movement of water from surrounding in the beaker of the potato osmoscope, and the movement of water takes place inside the well of the potato osmoscope and level of the solution increased. अशा प्रकारचं हे पोटॅटो ऑस्मोस्कोपच्या सहाय्याने आपण ऑस्मोसिस स्टडी केलेलं आहे. या पोटॅटोच्या सहाय्याने एक विशिष्ट प्रकारचा अपॅरेटस बनवायचा आहे आणि या अपॅरेटसमध्ये आपण कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड सोल्युशन टाकायचं आहे या वेलमध्ये आणि त्या सोल्युशनची लेवल कशी इन्क्रीज होते ते पाहायचं आहे. पोटॅटो ऑस्मोस्कोप म्हणजे बटाट्याचा एक स्कोप बनवलेला आहे, मेजरमेंट बनवलेला आहे ऑस्मोसिस स्टडी करण्यासाठी. आणि हा पोटॅटो ऑस्मोस्कोप बनवल्यानंतर त्या वेलमध्ये त्या खड्ड्यामध्ये हे सोल्युशन टाकायचं आहे. सोल्युशन टाकल्यानंतर एक लेवल इंडिकेट करायचे आहे किंवा लेवल इनिशियल लेवल दाखवायचे आहे. मग आता दाखवण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, आपल्याला हे पिनचा वापर करावा लागेल. हे पिन लावलेलं आहे इथं इनिशियल लेवल आणि पूर्ण रात्रभर या पाण्यामध्ये ठेवून द्यायचं. पोटॅटो ऑस्मोस्कोप बीकरमध्ये पाणी घातलेलं आहे, हा पोटॅटो ऑस्मोस्कोप ठेवायचा आहे आणि ठेवल्यानंतर हे पाणी आतमध्ये जातं, आतमध्ये जायला लागतं पाणी. हे पाणी आतमध्ये जातं आणि त्या वेलमध्ये जातं. हे कशामुळे जातं, कारण बाहेरचं पाणी हे लो कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड आहे आणि मधलं पाणी हायर कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड लेवलला आहे. त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, पाणी लो कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनकडून हाय कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनकडं मुवमेंट होते, हाय पोटेन्शियल टू लो पोटेन्शियल. आणि म्हणूनच यालाच म्हणतो आपण ऑस्मोसिस, मुवमेंट ऑफ वॉटर फ्रॉम लो कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन टू हाय कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन थ्रू द सेमी परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन is known as osmosis. And this increase in the level of the solution in the well of the potato osmoscope indicate the osmosis.